So what are international macro data? By international macro data, we are talking about data aggregated to a country or region for a number of years, quarters, or months. I thought I would start by showing you an example of what this data looks like, and here you can see the amount of internet users. The data are time series data, and I've chosen a 10-year period. These data are annual, but some databases will also have data available quarterly or even monthly. So the international macro data we host are socioeconomic data for a wide range of themes. We update datasets regularly. For some databases, we update the data every single month. Here's a list of data providers. The World Bank and the IMF data are openly available to anyone. We also have data from the OECD, United Nations, and the IEA. These data are restricted to staff and students from UK further and higher education institutions. So to find the data from our website, go to ukdataservice.ac.uk and then click Get Data, Explore Online. Then all of the international macro data we host is available through ukds.stat. Just click that, and then this link here. And this is ukds.stat homepage, and you can see here there's links to the data all here. A lot of these are abbreviations though, so you may want to click data by provider, and then you can see fuller titles. And if you're part of an academic institution, you can click login, and then you'll be able to see the full range of datasets that we have, so the IEA, UNIDO and OECD. I'll now give some brief examples of the data we host. Here's the same data I showed in tabular form at the beginning. This data is from the World Bank World Development Indicators and shows internet users per 100 people. The data is displayed as a choropleth map, and that's easy to do in the interface. We're looking at the 2013 figure, but you can move to other years down here, or even select other years not shown on the screen. Here's an example from the IMF's International Financial Statistics showing you the price of gold. These data are monthly level, and I've selected over 50 years of months. As it's such a long time series, you can barely see the months, so here's a more recent data within the last 38 months. Here's an example from the OECD's main science and technology indicators, and this shows gross expenditure on research and development during 2011. You can see the OECD average is in pink. China, UK and Spain are below the average, while Finland, Japan, Sweden and the US are above. And another example from the OECD, this time the international migration statistics, and I've shown you this on a map. As you can see, OECD datasets generally just cover OECD countries. We also provide access to lots of detailed data from the IEA, and this graph shows electricity output from solar photovoltaics for a number of countries. Germany, Italy and Spain have higher output, while when compared with Australia, the UK, Korea and Canada. And this is from the UNIDO Instat2 database, and this shows UK outputs in national currency for a range of manufacturing sectors. And this data is from 2009, but there is data available for other years. So in addition to all of the macro data we host, we also provide access to the IMF e-library, where you can download over 12,000 IMF documents from 1951 onwards, as well as smaller data sets. This brings us to the end of the brief overview of what is international macro data. Thank you for watching.